Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the half double crochet stitch. So the first thing that you're going to need is a crochet hook and some yarn. I have already made a test swatch here with two different colors. That way it's going to be easier to see how the stitch is going to be made. And I have already made 2 chains on my hook. For the half double crochet stitch, you will always need to make 2 chains. And if you're still learning to crochet or you need to learn a little bit of the basics, I have some videos that I've already made and I will have some listed down below. So the first thing that you're going to need to do to start this stitch is yarn over your hook. You're going to insert your hook into the first stitch. You're going to grab that yarn behind the stitch and you're going to pull it through so you have 3 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over your hook again. And you're going to pull that yarn through the 3 loops on your hook. So again, you're going to yarn over, insert into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through so you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Insert and grab that yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 of those loops. Insert your hook, grab that yarn behind and pull it through so you have 3 loops. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert, grab that yarn, yarn over, pull through the loops. Again, yarn over, you're going to pull through all 3 of those loops. And that is how you're going to make the half double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. And please leave me any feedback on some future videos that you would like to see. Any stitches or anything involving crocheting and I would like to make. And thank you guys again so much and have a great day.